we're going to go ahead and start ripping this thing apart. We're going to get saddlebags off, plan for the day, seats off, saddlebags off, backrest off, air cleaner, crash bars, exhaust, and we might go ahead and get taillights and turn signals ripped off. As I take screws and parts and pieces off, I really want to keep track of what goes where. So as I take something off, I'll put all the parts in there, label it, close it up, so that I know exactly what goes where. Got our Sharpies. Saddlebags off. We've got to go ahead and remove these brackets so we can get to our backrest. These are just in the event you missed it, my phone died, my apologies, but we got all the exhausts removed. So far we've gotten back footrests removed. We got all the seats, and we got the backrest. I know I missed that one in the video. When we take the saddlebags off, all it's got is the 2 bolts where the saddlebags bolt into, and that comes off. And there are 4 screws holding this plate to the backrest. Went ahead and took that off. I want to show you guys this because I finally got the back fender off, but this shit was wild. So that wire comes in through this hole here. It's held on by these little pieces of metal. These things just bend over and clamp the wire down. And it's ran all the way, then out the back grommet to where your taillight goes. It runs up and in, and it makes all of its connections right here. So the last thing I need to do is push this set of wires through this side and then remove this bolt, and I should be able to pull this right back out, and it should get this whole assembly off the taillight here. So see how that goes.